the Commission would like to remind all public officers of the decision of the Court of Appeal case at Nyeri Civil Application number 62 of 2017, where the judges stayed the judgment from the Labor and Employment Relations Court, which was issued in Kericho by Justice Marete. Remember that judgment? Justice Marete had allowed public servants to, among other things, that they go campaign. If they fail, they come back to the office, and that they don't have to resign 6 months to. But the Court of Appeal stayed that judgment, meaning that public officers who wish to contest in the upcoming general election must resign 6 months to the general election. That remains the law, and that must be complied with. So that should remove any doubt to those who think there's a judgment of the court that will allow them to work until the last day. Let them leave, resign and go, and let other Kenyans take those positions. Election campaign financing law. Yesterday I saw some coverage on this. The Commission, in compliance with sections 18 and 19 of the Election Campaign Financing Act of number 42 of 2013, set expenditure limits for candidates and parties for the 2022 general elections.